First, click AI pattern on the right. Click Similar Pattern. Click Upload to select original image. Adjust the similarity. The higher the rate, the closer the result will be to the original image. In the description, enter the keywords you want, such as colors, elements, or other specifics. Then, move to select the label. Choose the scale you want. Here I choose the all-over pattern. Choose the style you prefer. You can also choose the artist, and I will imitate the styles of these artists. After determining the desired size, click Intelligent Generation. Now, we have a set of images that combine details from both the original and description. Let's view the details. Zoom in and out to examine the pattern details. Here, you can save, download, or compare the pattern. Click here to compare with the original image. Thus, similar pattern help in extending the design. You can zoom in to view the details of both. The patterns are quite similar, but the details have been modified. You can add your favorite, generate them just to favorites. Click More in the top right corner to view the patterns you just added. Click My Favorites to view the images you like.